Hello guys, welcome to my first video, and today we're playing the Battle Cats. So I'm going to introduce myself. I am 10 years old. My name is Sarah, so hello. And please subscribe and like the video for more content like this, I guess. So let's start to play. So let's go fight Korea. So I know how to play this because I watched my brother play it like a million times. Upgrade so that we can get money faster. I know what I'm doing. Get this adorable kitty over here. So the thing that looks like a cannon, which is at the bottom right, is like a laser cannon that's loading up very slowly. So today is my first video, so please leave a like. So guys, please try and download this game. This game is like amazing. So guys, you can recommend in the comments down below what I should play. See, look, this is the cat cannon. But it only reaches until this line over here, so I'm not going to use it. So I have like stacks of kitties over here. So just go away until I win. You do like 10 damage. Not that bad. So these enemies are called Doge. These are just called cats. Basically. So I'm just gonna try and stop right here because never mind. I got a superior kimchi. Okay. The treasure menu has been unlocked. Okay, great. Thank you. Daily stamps. So I got daily capture, and that picture is a god. Special bonus. Oh yeah. This ticket is wait. This ticket's oops. What is this? No, I don't want this. So let's go look at the store, see what we have. Yeah, so we have this rich cat, which you can once you like get the money, get like, you know, when it has like, it reaches the money like $100, something like that. So you can make it go higher and higher, higher. I thought it was a sniper cat. XP just like get XP, I guess. So yeah, I'm done looking at the store. Let's look at the updates. Wait, this is the normal cat. This is a tank cat, which looks like a sausage. So I feel like I should get a new cat. Okay, let's go back. So this is the menu where you can look at your treasures. I got superior kimchi from Korea. So this is like just telling you